Hi everyone and welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm here at the Woodland Nature Reserve in West Sussex, which is the Sussex Wildlife Trust headquarters. It's a beautiful morning and I'm hoping to take you around and to see some great wildlife. So I've just been listening to the beautiful song of a blackcap. We've got chiffchaffs and there's also a pair of reed warblers singing within the reeds over there. So I hope that they have a nest. And also Chetty's warbler. So this reserve is home to a range of habitats like wildflower meadows, which are vital for our pollinators. There's a small pond with a reed bed, there's streams and woodland. That means it's a great place to find wildlife, including our spring migrants, such as chiffchaff, reed warbler, Chetty's warbler and whitethroat, as well as the declining turtle dove, which I'm yet to see here. So I've just been standing here in this lovely sunshine, listening to the beautiful song of a reed warbler, and whilst I've been doing that, I've seen a couple of banded damsels, which are just so elegant. So that's the end of my walk today here at Woodland Nature Reserve. Other than what I've already mentioned, I've seen small tortoiseshell, orange tip, large white and peacock butterfly. I've seen lots of damselflies, and just now I saw a little grebe on the lake here. But that's the end of my vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll end on something very cute. See you next time.